Excuse me. Anyway, I've done my job back in Dimbulah. Now I'm just stopped along the highway between Mariba and Dimbulah just to have a little rest spot. And this little beautiful place down here on, what is it? Oh, I can't remember it now. Dead Horse Creek Road. Yeah, it's a very beautiful place. Yeah, so I did the job. Get out and about a bit. It's nice. Need some whippersnipping first up and then some mowing just to tidy up that bed, Brett. So let you know on note. Yeah, anyway, it's a beautiful day. I was thinking about going for a swim. But yeah, I might give it a miss today. Might do it next time, I think. I feel like a gutless wanderer not for doing it, but anyway, I might change my mind. Over and out. All the best. See you later.